Okay, Varshit, thank you. Right. Now I am going to explain you the next concept. Is there any new student today? Aditi, you attended to last class? Varshit, ping a message, no problem. Or you can speak out also. Unmute your mic and speak out. Right. I will continue the class. Now I am going to explain you about these two symbols. Right. This symbol is called as open delimiter. It is called closing delimiter. What is the meaning of limit? Limit. Boundary means what you write in between these two curly brackets, it is your solution. These two indicate the boundaries of this main function. If you want to indicate the beginning of function, you have to use open curly bracket. If you want to indicate the end of the function, you have to use closing curly bracket. These two are indicators, signals, which indicate the limits of the function. So it is called a limiter. One is open curly bracket. Open curly bracket is called as open delimiter. Open delimiter. What is the meaning of this one? What is the use of this? It is used to indicate the beginning of function or block. Block means a group of statements. It is called open curly bracket. Next one is closing delimiter. The symbol is closing curly bracket. So what is the use of this one? It is used to indicate the ending of the function. It is used to indicate the ending of function or block. Function or block. Next here we used one symbol. This symbol. What is the use of that symbol? That symbol is called as comment. What is the symbol of that? Comment. What is the meaning of comment? First of all, when you are roaming on road, there you can see so many shops, hotels, cinema theaters, hospitals. All these are having some nameplate, am I right? Board, name board. Name board will be there, like Aruna Medicals, Annapurna Hotel, Sandhya Theatre, like that. Mahatma Gandhi Hospital. What is the use of those boards? What is the use of name boards? If there is no name board, then what happens? If there is no name board, we cannot understand what is that. Is it hospital or hotel or cinema theater? How can you understand? By using the nameplate only. Nameplate gives extra meaning to that shop. What is it? It can understand by using the nameplate. So comment also a message, just like as nameplate. It gives extra clarity about the program. So comment is a message. It gives extra clarity about the program. It gives extra clarity about the program. Whenever you write the comment in program, it helps to understand easily. So it helps to understand the program easily. Whenever you understand the program easily, then you can implement it easily. It helps to implement means development. It helps to implement the program easily. If you don't write comment, then the readers cannot understand your program. So you have to write it. It is not for computer. It is for users. While I am roaming to a road, I see a name board, Sandhya Theatre. That name board is not for theatre owner. It is for the persons those are roaming on that road. In the same manner, we need to write the comments for user purpose. It is not a computer purpose. So it is just for user purpose. It is not for computer, so it won't compile also. It won't compile. It does not compile. What is the meaning of compile? Compile means compilation. Compilation means whatever the program you write in English, computer cannot understand English. We need to convert this program into machine understandable language. That conversion process is called as compilation. So whatever you write in the form of comment, it doesn't compile, means it doesn't convert into machine language. It does not convert into machine language. If it does not convert into machine language, then it won't execute also. It does not execute. Mainly comments are basically two types. It is two types. One is single line comment. Second one is multi-line comment. Single line comment, multi-line comment. What is single line comment? Suppose a comment is small, it is fitting in one line, then it is called single line comment. A comment which is small in size and fit in one line, then it is called single line comment. It has another name. It also called as line comment. How computer can understand it is a line comment? It always begins with this symbol. If any line begins with this symbol, computer can understand it is a comment. Then that line won't compile. That line won't convert into machine language. That line won't execute. So single line comment always begins with // Example, it is a line comment. It is very small. It was fit in one line. So it is a single line comment. Now second one is multi-line comment. A comment Multi-line comment means it is big in size. It is not fitting in one line. It was fitted in multiple lines. Then it is called multi-line comment. A comment which is big in size and not fit in one line. Then it is called multi-line comment. It is also called as block comment. Block means group of lines. Group of buildings are called as block. In college, we have A block, B block, C block, like that. Group of statements is called as block. Block comment. You have to write the block comment like this. First, we need to start block comment with a slash star. Here we need to write the comment. This is block comment. It is big in size. It is in multiple lines. How many lines of comment I write here? More than one line. So it is called block comment, multi-line comment. It always ends with a star slash. It begins with this symbol, it ends with this symbol. So the comment should be always enclosed between these two symbols. It always enclosed between slash star and star slash. It is about the comments. Now friends, from here note it down. I already told you, my dear friends, we have few free demo classes. Once we completed the free demo classes, we will start the paid classes. Once paid classes are started, then I will create a WhatsApp group to you. I will send this material every day to you, no problem. Up to that, you have to note it down. Once paid classes begins, I will take total 1 hour class. There is no writing. After completion of class, I will send this material to you every day using WhatsApp group. Then you can write down at your leisure time. After completion of writing, please ping a message. I will go to the next topic. After completion of writing, please ping a message. Friends, is it completed? Speak out or ping a message, friends. I can go to next topic. Aditi. Good. Thank you. Right. Now, I am going to explain you the next topic, that is data types. I already explained you what is data type at in first class. Again, I am going to explain you. Whenever you go to a cool drink shop, there you can see lot of drinks, thumbs up, Maaza, Pepsi, like that. What are those? Those are the types of drinks. Here I am going to explain you the types of data. How many types of data is there in C language? That is called data types. I will explain a table here, then you can understand very easily what is data type. Here we have 4 types of data types. 1, 2, 3, 4. What are those? I will give a example here. Example for each data type. Whenever you see the keyboard, on that you can see the alphabets A, B, C, D, and so on, last letter Z. And symbol, plus symbol, minus symbol, into symbol, all the symbols you can see. By symbol, and so on. These are called characters in C language. These are called characters. It is a data type. One of the data type is character. ABCDs are characters, symbols also characters. On keyboard you can see the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you press 2 digit, it is double digit number also, triple digit number also. All these are called as round numbers. Round numbers are called as integers. Int. Data type we have to use int here. Integer means it is a number. Round number means it doesn't contain any dot operator. If you write 1.25, it is not integer. Dot operator you should not use. It is a integer. If you use the dot operator 1.0, 1.25, 1.47 like that, then it is called float, floating point number. It is also a number with decimal point. It is a number without a decimal point. Without a decimal point means integer. With decimal point means float. The same numbers we can call as double also. Double. Now you may get one doubt. Sir, what is the difference between float and double? Both are same. It is also float, it is also double. Now how to understand? Is it float or double? I will give two examples to you. I am taking a float, result equal to 100 by 3. What is the answer of 100 by 3? It is equal to 33.333 and so on. Am I right? Yes. I am taking double, r equal to, again it is also 100 by 3. What is the answer of 100 by 3? 33.3333 and so on. Now, when you say float, it will maintain only 6 precisions. Precision means a digit after dot operator. It is called precision. In float, computer can maintain up to 6 precisions. Whereas double, it maintains up to 10 precisions. How many precisions? 10 precisions. Now, what is the difference between float and double? Float contains up to 6 precisions, whereas double contains up to 10 precisions. It is the difference between float and double. What is the need of these precisions? More precisions means more accurate value you will get. If you want more accurate, then use double. If you want less accurate, then use float. That is the difference. It depends upon the accuracy. How much accuracy you require, less or more. If you want more, use double. If you want less, use float. That is the difference. Now, whenever you store the data in computer memory, it will occupy some space. That is called the size of the data type. Size. How much space? A character will occupy 1 byte memory in computer memory. 1 byte space in computer memory. These numbers occupies 4 bytes memory. Float also occupies 4 bytes memory. Double occupies 8 bytes memory. How much bytes? 8 bytes memory. It is about the data types. Now, what is a data type? Data type is used to explain about the type of data. It is used to explain about type of data. How much type of data? What is the type of data? You can explain by using the keyword, the character, integer, float, double. In C language, we have 4 types of data types. C supports 4 types of data types. These are the names for data types. These are already defined in computer. Computer can understand what is character, integer, float, double. The names, those are already defined in computer, are called as keywords. So it is a keyword. Keyword means name already defined in computer. Example for data type is this one. Now note it down from data types. Please note on this. If it is completed, please ping a message. Worship. Thank you. Completed. What about others? Can I go to next topic? Right. The next topic is modifiers. What is the size of integer? 4 bytes. Size of integer is 4 bytes. Suppose you have 4-liter water bottle. In that 4-liter water bottle, if you pour 5 liters of milk, then what happens? 1 liter milk will be wasted. Am I right? Yes. It will be overflowed. It will be wasted. If you want to store 5 liters of milk, then what to do? You have to change the size of the water bottle. Am I right? Change in the it is equal to modify. Change is nothing but modify. If you want to change the size of integer or any data type, you have to use modifiers. Suppose I want to increase the size of integer. Then we have to use a long integer. Long int. Long means it will increase the size of integer from 4 bytes to 10 bytes. I want to decrease the size of integer. Then I can use short integer. Short integer means it will decrease the size of integer from 4 bytes to 1 byte. Actually, its size of integer is 4 bytes. It will increase 4 to 10. It will decrease 4 to 1. In integer variable, you can store minus 32,767 to plus 32,768. These numbers we can store. Positive numbers and negative numbers both we can store in integer. I want to store only positive numbers. Positive numbers means plus. Without plus also we can write positive number. So positive numbers don't have any sign. Negative number compulsory it has the sign. It doesn't have sign, so it is called unsigned integers. Unsigned integer. Negative numbers always have the signature sign, so it is called signed integer. This long, short, signed, unsigned, these are called modifiers. These are called modifiers. Now what is modifier? Modifier is a keyword. What is the meaning of keyword? Keyword means the names already defined in computer. Computer can understand these words. So these are called keywords. What is the meaning of modifier? It is used to modify the meaning of data type. It is used to modify the meaning of data type. In C language, how many data types we have? 4. C supports 4 types of data types. Right. Note it down this. Friends, note down. If it is completed, please tell me. If it is completed, ping a message, please. Friends, if it is completed, please ping a message. Okay, good. Aditi is saying it's completed. Now, my dear friends, in today's class, if you have any doubt, I will explain. Otherwise, I will wind up the session. Any doubt you have? You can unmute your mic also, no problem. You can unmute your mic and you can speak to me, or you can ping a message here regarding your doubts. Otherwise, I will be wind up. No doubts. Thank you. Good night. Friends, you know, tomorrow is festival. Muslim festival. I am also a Muslim, you know, as my name. So tomorrow we don't have any class. Sunday also we don't have any class. Again, we will meet on Monday. Good night.